So today I only have one class, but that's at 9, and then I'm going to the market with my dad later today. You're probably like, well, why are you putting makeup on if you only have one class today? Well, I feel that if I don't look like I'm ready for the day, then I'm not going to be ready for the day. So, makeup on a day when I only have one class is the way to go. My foundation is a Fenty Beauty Luminous Foundation. I feel it's pretty full coverage concealer, and I like to use a brush because I don't like putting the applicator straight on my face. But I take like the side of it and I just take off the concealer that's on the side. I do my nails myself, which I feel everyone should do their nails themselves, or should at least paint them. At least like keep a clean manicure, like clean nails, because it's like no one really wants to see gross nails. And if you have gross nails, then it looks like you don't really take care of yourself. And if you do take care of yourself and have gross nails, then it's like, why have gross nails? You know what I mean? I'm mainly talking about, like fingernails. Toenails, I guess, are fine unmanicured or pedicured, because if you don't wear your toes out a lot, then what's the point of keeping them up for appearances? The contour I use is the NYX contour. I use e.l.f. Halo Glow for my blush, and I put it around my eye area more instead of like my cheeks, because I like to be very pink. I only have 2 powder products, which is my blush and my like setting powder, mainly because I don't really like using powders. But I have the Wet n Wild, I don't know what shade it is. I have this eyeliner, but I don't know the brand. I don't have an aegyo pen, but I have an eyebrow pen that I use for my aegyo. I've always liked the concept of like people doing makeup styles that like they like and not just that suits them. Like a lot of people do Asian style makeup like me and aren't Asian, but it's just I like how it looks and I like how it looks on me. I've also grown up around Asian style makeup, so I'm more used to it, I guess. So I think people should just stop hating, because hate is very overrated and unnecessary. Especially women hate on other women. That one's just kind of dumb. It seems just like you're jealous. But the concealer that I use for like highlighting the under eye is the Fit Me concealer. But I put like pink in it so that it's more pinky. But I think that as people we should stop hating on people who just want to do what they want to do. Like, if you want to do Asian style makeup, do Asian style makeup. If you want to do a specific hairstyle because you like it, then do it. And just don't worry about what people think. Because at the end of the day, it's not about them, it's about you and what makes you comfortable. And how you feel pretty. I use a brush to blend out this because I feel like the beauty blender doesn't get everything because it's fat when it's wet. The products I use for my lips are the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon and then this Waterville tint. I don't know where it's from, but it's a Korean brand. One of my mom's friends that she works with got it and was like, hey, do you want this? And she was like, my daughter will, so then she gave it to me. I don't really put on like lashes, I just do mascara because my eyelashes are super long, but the mascara I use is the Maybelline Firework Lash Sensation, and I mainly just put it on the top of the eyelashes, and then like the outside, more of the outside of my bottom lash and not really the inside. Okay guys, this is the final look. I just threw on a tank top and my cousin's sweater and some track pants. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please make sure to like and subscribe.